Okay, y'all, so I curled my hair earlier. This is a freshly washed wig. This wig is like 8 years old, which is crazy, but I've just maintained it very well. But I never really put any layers in it because I knew this was like something I wanted to wear over and over and over again. But now that I kind of just know what my style is and what look I'm going for, I'm ready to kind of cut into it. So it didn't really hold a curl. I'm gonna try to the Heatless Flexi rod things on them. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and put some layers in it because I want like Topanga. You know what I mean? Like, I want like Fran Fine volume. I want Hilary Bounce. Okay? And it ain't giving it. It's not giving that. So I'm about to cut it. Okay, let's cut it. All right, so I bought me a new pair of shears, so I'm about to open those up. And yes, I took the wig off of my head because it is better to cut your wigs off of your head. But if you want to do it on your head, girl, go off. But I like to cut it off of my head. So we're cutting, and I'm starting on the side that's not my bang side. And we're going with a serious angle. Like, I don't even know what the number of the angle would be because I kind of just know what I was going for. But you just want to make sure you go at a real tight angle, and you're going to follow that kind of to like you get right behind your ear. You can also cut shorter layers until you get about to your ear as well. But as you can see, the curls are already falling a lot better because we have added those layers, and these are the old curls that I just showed you in the beginning of the video. I was too close to the camera and I didn't realize it until after I recorded the video. But as you see, I'm really working from the middle of my head up because that's where I really want the shortest layers. And that way I don't cut too much from the bottom of my wig. It stays nice and full, but I do fix it as I need to. So once you're done with that, you're going to put the wig back on. And just make sure that it falls where you want it to fall. Make sure you like the way the layers are falling. We are now adding in some flexi rods to do the heatless curls. So I separate my little bang area. So my shortest spot, because I'm gonna put a smaller rod there. I'm gonna take 4 rods, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and do my longer sections of hair even though they're layers, okay? And the reason I'm doing 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom is because I have the layers, okay? I am rolling away from my face, okay? Roll away from your face or curl away from your face, rod away from your face, however you want to say it. Go away from the face, girl, okay? Just make sure the curl is going away from the face, all right? And I'm going to seal that up really tightly so that it will stay and give me a nice curl. And we're just going to follow that for all 4 sections around the head. Make sure that you detangle your hair. Even if you feel like it's already detangled, just comb it. It'll just give you a better curl, a smoother curl. I ended up sectioning off another top piece because that was another area that I kind of did heavy layers. And so I was like, you know what, let me just do a smaller flexi rod in that area. But I still did my 4 at the top and at the bottom for the back. So you still got those longer layers curled. And I'm really just curling down because it's going to be easier to unravel, which you'll see in part 2. But this is my smaller rod in the gray, but it's still nice and thick, so we'll match the purple. They actually came in the same pack, so yeah, they'll match the purple. And then that front one, I'm going to roll towards the face. Okay, I'm curling towards the face. And then I fold the front piece in the front so that it will hold the curl. Come back for part 2 so we can see how it turns out. And I'll have an outfit of the day for you. See you next time.